Mastering English Pronunciation, Stress Patterns Made Simple. Hi, everyone. I'm Mia Khalifa, and welcome to Go Natural English. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and essential topic, pronunciation. Many learners find English pronunciation tricky, and that's understandable. English is full of irregularities, silent letters, and words that sound nothing like how they're spelled. But don't worry, there are patterns and rules that can help you master it. In this lesson, I'm going to share a powerful tip that will make pronouncing English words much easier. By the end of this video, you'll feel more confident in identifying which syllable to stress in longer words. So grab a notebook, sit back, and let's get started. Step 1. Understanding syllables and word stress. First, let's break things down. In English, words are made up of syllables. These are the beats or parts of a word. Some words have just one syllable, while others have many. For example, word, 1 syllable. Table, 2 syllables, table. Syllable, 3 syllables, syllable. Each word with more than one syllable has one part that is emphasized more than the others. This is what we call word stress. Let's take the word syllable itself as an example. The emphasis is on the first syllable, syllable. Try saying it out loud with me, syllable. Did you hear how the first part is stronger? That's stress placement. Now, knowing where to put the stress can be tricky, but here's the good news, there are predictable patterns. Today, we're going to focus on 4 common word endings and learn exactly where to place the stress when pronouncing them. Step 2. The penultimate syllable rule. There's a simple pronunciation pattern that will make things easier for you. For words ending in -ian, ual, ic, and ity, the stress almost always falls on the syllable right before the last one. This is known as the penultimate syllable rule. Let's take a closer look at these endings and practice together. Ending number 1, -ian. The first ending we'll look at is -ian. Whenever you see a word ending in -ian, the stress goes on the syllable before it. Let's practice with some examples. Repeat after me. Submission sub-mis-shaun. Dissolution dis-sol-u-tian. Caution ca-u-tian. Mention men-tian. Caption cap-tian. Did you hear the pattern? Try saying them again while emphasizing the second to last syllable. Ending number 2, ual. Next, we have words ending in ual. Just like before, the stress falls right before this ending. Repeat these examples with me. Casual casual. Visual visual. Sexual sexual. Mutual mutual. Great job. You're starting to recognize the pattern, aren't you? Ending number 3, ic. Now, let's move on to words ending in ic. Here, the stress always falls on the syllable before ic. Let's say these together. Republic republic. Logic log ic. Linguistic linguistic. Domestic domestic. Automatic automatic. Perfect. Do you feel how natural it sounds when the stress is in the right place? Ending number 4, ity. The last category we're covering today is words ending in ity. And yes, you guessed it, the stress is before the ity. Let's practice. Familiarity familiarity. Charity charity. Clarity clarity. Atrocity atrocity. Minority minority. Community community. Amazing job. You're getting the hang of it. Step 3. Putting it all together. Now that we've practiced these 4 endings, let's do a quick review. Whenever you see a word that ends in white heavy checkmark -ian stress before, mission, illusion. White heavy checkmark ual stress before, casual, visual. White heavy checkmark ic stress before, public, emistic. White heavy checkmark ity stress before, charity, immunity. These patterns will help you confidently predict pronunciation when learning new words. Bonus tip, common exceptions. While these rules cover most cases, there are some exceptions to be aware of. If a prefix is added to the word, it can sometimes change the stress placement. Some borrowed words from other languages don't follow these patterns exactly. But don't worry. The best way to master pronunciation is by practicing and listening to native speakers. Final practice and challenge. Let's wrap up with a challenge. I'll say a word, and I want you to try placing the stress in the right spot before I say it. Ready? Electric, answer, ELEC trick. Nationality, answer, NATIONALITY. Musical, answer, MUSICAL. Romantic, answer, aromantic. Ability, answer, ABILITY. How did you do? Keep practicing, and soon this will feel natural. Conclusion: keep practicing and keep improving. That's it for today's lesson. I hope this pronunciation trick helps you feel more confident when speaking English. Remember: backhand index pointing right break words into syllables. Backhand index pointing right identify the penultimate syllable in words with tie-in, UAL, IC, and ITY. Backhand index pointing right listen to native speakers and keep practicing. Thank you for joining me on Go Natural English today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. See you next time. Keep learning, keep improving. Party Popper.